Hi everyone and welcome to Panther Sport and Wellness. Please check out this great promo video.
Our name says it all. We are Canadore College, a Canadian community college. But what does that mean?
We believe in teamwork.
We believe in competition.
We believe in rest and rejuvenation.
We believe in supporting the well-being of others.
We believe in tenacity.
We believe in rising above challenges.
We believe in integrity.
We believe that risk, failure, and success are part of the same equation.
We believe that excellence and sustainability are compatible. We believe in many nations under one roof.
And above all this, we believe in communities. We are Canadore College, your global community college.
Guided by instructor Carly Stawn, these classes provide you with the skills to practice and move out of pain, improve flexibility, and build strength. Carly's approach is inclusive for all bodies and is trauma-informed. We've teamed up with certified strength and conditioning coach Logan Baker to offer virtual fitness programming for all of our students, including Panthers at Home, which are full body workouts, Parents and Cubs, which are parent and children workouts, Figuring Out Fitness, and Panther Hit Series workouts. We'll also be offering Panther Pilates, as well as lunch hour meditation, which is guided by instructor Kelsey Quinn. Hosted by Lise Ritter, Panther Sport and Wellness will be offering a 6-part series titled Returning to Health and Vitality, which will include handouts for each topic and will cover such things as challenges, toxins, supplements, etc. New this fall, 2020, we're launching our esports program for both recreation and competitive play. Check out canadorecollege.ca/sport for more information. Just behind the College Drive campus, you'll find over 12 kilometers of beautiful hiking and snowshoeing trails for use, and another 8 kilometers of cross-country ski trails. The Canadore Panthers are proud members of the Ontario Colleges Athletic Association, as well as the Ontario College Recreation League. At Canadore, we offer varsity men's basketball, men's and women's varsity volleyball, men's and women's soccer, as well as men's and women's hockey. Please check out canadorecollege.ca/sport for tryout information, as well as startup information regarding all teams. Although closed at the moment due to COVID-19, the Education Center is home to the Panther Fitness Center, which is a 4,000 square foot facility featuring state-of-the-art equipment. It is open to all students, staff, faculty, and alumni. Please check out our website for opening information as well as hours of operation. And last but certainly not least, meet the Sport and Wellness team. We are here to help you with all of your fitness and wellness needs. Check out our contact information online at canadorecollege.ca/sport.